Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on a GMC Envoy. First, let's get prepared. You'll want to gather a flathead screwdriver and your new headlight bulbs. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. It's also a good idea to check your owner's manual to confirm the correct bulb type for your specific model. This ensures you have everything ready for a smooth replacement. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and locating the headlight assembly. You'll notice two retaining pins at the top of the assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry these pins up and remove them. Once the pins are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting brackets, giving you full access to the bulbs. With the assembly out, you can now replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb's socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. When inserting the new bulb, be careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the socket, then twist it clockwise to secure it in place. Finally, let's put everything back together and test your work. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it seats properly in the mounting brackets. Reinsert the two retaining pins you removed earlier, pushing them down until they are flush. Close the hood, then turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.